Hi everyone and welcome to the very first episode of Unboxing with Veesham. This is where we shine a spotlight on some amazing brands that have trusted us with their print and packaging. We'll also take a closer look at what they do and what makes them special. Today's unboxing is from the delightful Marsh'n'mallow. Founded in 2022, Marsh'n'mallow has become known for its fun, flavorful treats, from marshmallows and galactic rocky roads to ice creams and their signature s'more skids. Their products aren't just sweets, they're also perfect for gifting. What makes them extra special? Their marshmallows are dairy-free, gluten-free, made with organic agave syrup and halal gelatin, and they come in 15 incredible flavors. We printed this gorgeous galactic themed box with rainbow foiling. For their rocky roads, we created matching custom stickers to maintain brand consistency. From business cards and butter sheets to elegant foiled paper bags, everything is fully branded, fully fabulous, and printed to perfection. You can experience Marsh'n'mallow for yourself at the Deepchaka Food Hall in Nakheel Mall, where they become a favorite treat. Or, if you prefer convenience, they're just a click away, available on their website and Deliveroo. That's it for today's unboxing. If you are building your brand and want your packaging to tell a story, feel free to reach out. We'd love to bring your ideas to life. Until then, stay tuned for more exciting updates on Unboxing with Veesham.